Assalamualaikum friends, and here is Letterhead templates with different format in AI, APS, and IDML, InDesign, PSD for Photoshop, and Word for Microsoft Office. Okay, now we have a Photoshop. Here is two different size, A4 and lighter size, open in 4 A4 size. Here is a 5 different templates. Open this one and put your own logo here your contact number and email address or your location. Okay, and footer here your company name, and you can change this color. Okay, depend your own choice. Okay, click here, green bar. Here now is red bar. You see, write anything here, and these are CMYK color. That's mean these files are printable. Now your logo is here, and your location here, same thing. Next is here design change. Next is wow, like a fold paper, and last is a I think a simple import your text here, stamp or any your experience. Okay, now and here is the letter size, same thing in letter size. Here is a AI file for Adobe Illustrator. You can edit in Illustrator. Here is InDesign. No InDesign right now in my system. Microsoft Office, you can open in MS Word. Here is letter size, and here is a A4. Subscribe this channel and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.